Hi everybody. When I'm not drawing or designing or making jewellery, I love to garden and to cook with the produce, and I love foraging out in the wild. Now, one of the quickest and easiest things to do is a pesto. You can make pesto from more or less anything, from old carrot tops, nettle tops, wild garlic, fennel. I've got some lovely fennel over there, but one of the things that's kind of going a bit wild at the moment is the parsley in my garden, so I'm going to do a parsley and walnut pesto for lunch. So first things first, cut a load, big bunch of parsley. So into the kitchen, we'll make the pesto. Come on, old girl. So here we are in the kitchen. I've got my parsley that I just picked. Water's on, pretty much boiling. It's plenty of salted water there. I've got half a handful of walnuts, a clove of garlic, and about 35 grams of pecorino, 35 grams of Parmesan. I've got this lovely old pecorino and Parmesan that I bring back from Italy when I come. I'm going to chuck these in the Whizzer and put the pasta on to boil. Really quick and easy. Okay, very important thing when you're making pesto is always introduce the pasta water to your pesto. Okay, so there's our pesto ready to go. It is absolutely delicious. Pasta's ready. We're all good for lunch. So 15 minutes later, lunch is on the table. Buon appetito!